Today I'm going to show you how to add skills to your LinkedIn profile. So from your homepage, go ahead and click on your name on the top left-hand side. This will essentially take you to your profile. You want to go down and you'll see pretty much every section of your profile. We're going to go past experience, education, licenses, and certificates, and we'll see skills. And here you want to click on the plus button. Now, the very important thing here is to make sure that you are adding skills that are, how can I say, appropriate to your profile, but also appropriate to what sort of work that you want to get. So you can type in whatever skills here. So let's just say, for example, if you start typing, it'll give you some suggestions. So we're going to say video editing. Click on that. When you actually add a skill, it'll give you the option to select where you actually use the skill within your profile. Okay, so you can choose like from your licenses and certificates, or your previous work experience, where and how you want to add that and what you want to relate it to. Now once you're done, you can add in as many skills as possible. Click on save and you'll have all of your skills over here on your profile. Now the thing is, when people are looking for example, a video editor, and they are searching for video editor, you will come up in search when they are searching, and instead of you having to submit a proposal or a CV or your resume and apply to a job, they can approach you and actually offer you a job without you having to first submit or approach them.